Hello guys, welcome to bonus part. In this part, I want to show you how to create flag simulation in 3ds Max. So simple, let's start. First, go to create, geometry, select cylinder, zoom out a little bit, and create cylinder from here, like this. Go to modifier, control cylinder radius, control the height. And now, time to create flag cloth. Select the plane, then go to front viewport, press Z, zoom in a little bit, and draw the flag here like this. So now, time to control from the top. Take a look. Flag must be attached to the cylinder and control flag segments 20 and 40. For the high quality, you can set high rate. So select your flag cloth, turn on Mouse Effects toolbar from here, Mouse Effects toolbar, and go to Mouse Effects, apply cloth, then select cylinder or flag pool, go to Mouse Effects here, select static rigid body. Select cloth, go to M cloth, expand, select vertex, select all of them, then make a group, press OK. Select node to pull and close M cloth from modifier, press Alt W, zoom out. Let's simulate, let's check from here. Okay. Flag is linked to pull. Let's create some wind effect. Reset, go to create, go to forces, select forces. So if you want to create a bomb, if you want to create gravity, if you want to create motor, so if you want to create vertex, all of them in forces. So I want to create wind effect. Select, draw here, and press E for rotate, change wind direction, and select flag, go to modify, and go to forces option, add wind. So select wind icon and simulate. Select wind icon, go to Mouse Effects toolbar, simulate, and wait. Looking good. You can control wind strength from here. Change wind strength, little bit down, like this. Looking not bad. Let's stop this one, create material for the flag, reset, press M for material slot. So select one empty slot and go to depth is none, click here, go to general bitmap and select one of these materials. I want to select this material, double click, apply this material on the flag, minimize, let's simulate again, let's see. Looking good. Okay guys, let's create one more effect on the flag. I want to tear the flag during motion. Select the flag and go to selection, change to spray selection, go to modifier, select vertex. I want to tear the flag like this, like this. Press Alt, clean some of this. So go to parameters, select make tear here, click, press OK. And now close your M cloth in modifier and close from here. Let's check, simulate again the mouse effects from here. And looking good. I want to hit with some object to flag to create more tear. Stop, close, reset. Okay, let's create some ball sphere from here. And okay, no. Come here, turn on auto key, set key, come here, one hit, close. Let's take copy here, press OK, and here. Select keyframes, little bit faster. Select one more copy from here, press OK, keyframes, little bit late. And select all of the ball, press Ctrl, go to mouse effects, change to kinematic, rigid body. Let's simulate again and let's see ball action to head to the flag. Uh-oh. Reset. Select ball, change to kinematic. Select this one, change to kinematic. Select this one, change to kinematic. Let's simulate again and let's check what's happened. 1, 2, reset. Select the wind, change wind rate to low. Let's simulate again. 1, reset again. Change simulation rate of wind. 1, 2. Delete all the balls. Delete this one too. Let's create a box. Let's create a box like this. A little bit thickness. And press the scale. I want to hit by box. Stopwatch. Come to 15, 14 frames. Then select and change to kinematic. Let's simulate and let's see the action. Here is. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about flag simulation. So if you want to create this simulation on the frames to create your animation and use to your project, go to setting of mouse effects, go to setting, then click back all. The back all will allow you how to create your simulation into frames and you can use in your animation project. Thank you for watching. Have a good time.